Hey guys, in this video, I will show you a couple of procedures you can use to disable Windows Defender. First method, disable Windows Defender from Windows Security. This is often the most preferred way to disable Windows Defender, because all you need to do is navigate to Windows Security, and then you can disable the program from there. Here's how it's done. Right-click on Start. Click Search. Search for Windows Security. And then click the top result. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now toggle Real-Time Protection switch to turn it off. Take note that Windows Defender will only be disabled for the current session. When you reboot your computer, it will automatically be re-enabled. But it's actually a good feature, since we really don't want to leave our computers unprotected. Second method, disable Windows Defender using Registry. This one's not as easy as the first one, but I'm sure you can follow. Here's how. Right-click on Start. Click Search. Search for Regedit, and then click the top result. Confirm that you want to open the registry editor by clicking Yes. Once the registry editor is opened, follow these paths. Open HKey local machine by clicking the small arrow on the left. Open software. Look for an Open Policies. Open Microsoft. Right-click the Windows Defender key or folder. Select New. And click on DWORD 32-bit value. Name the key, disable anti-spyware, and press Enter. Double-click the newly created DWORD, and change the value from 0 to 1. Click the OK button. Restart your device. I hope that this video has been helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Droid Guy. Thanks for watching.